Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about beautiful premium handcrafted gold plated nibs and satin chrome plated brass cap premium fountain pen from Kokuyo Camlin Limited, Elegant, available in 3 body colors: blue, black and red. Look at the beautiful box packing. $199 MRP premium fountain pen. Its nib is specially handcrafted gold plated nib, useful for students and professionals. For the joy of writing and improvement of handwriting. Every person, every handwriting expert will introduce and recommend you to use fountain pen, and this elegant fountain pen is a perfect thing for you to use. Look at the beautiful shape of this fountain pen, Camlin Elegant fountain pen. Look at the beautiful nib. This perfectly handcrafted gold plated nib gives you the perfect writing pleasure with smoothness and elegance. You need not to worry about the costly ink cartridges. Just buy the bottle of Camlin fountain pen ink, rupees 20 MRP, fill it and use it. That's it. So guys, use Camlin Elegant fountain pen. Improve your handwriting and best of luck for your exams. Thank you.